Very special thanks to our Korean skincare sponsor, COSRX. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the bathroom. Today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I get this no makeup look, how I naturally get up in the morning, and I wanted to incorporate a little bit of my skincare and my makeup. If you guys just saw my get ready with me that I went to this wedding, that was a very full face, full glamour transformation, but that is not me every day. I wanted to show you guys something more natural, something more achievable, that's more me, because although that is me full glam, this is also me in my natural habitat in my bathroom for all of you guys to see. For the last couple of months, I have been watching a lot of mukbangs, Korean mukbangs, because if you guys know me, I am literally obsessed with Korean barbecue, and I plan on doing like a DIY Korean barbecue video in my kitchen just because I'm literally obsessed with it with my friends. But through the rabbit hole of YouTube and the suggested videos that are like on the side, I found Korean skincare, and today I want to show you guys my favorite product that I have been using that has transformed my skin. My skin is more glowy than ever, feels more hydrated than ever. I'm shooting right now on a Sony Alpha 6400 if you guys are wondering the camera, but this camera is super HD. Let me zoom you guys in. And as you can see, I'm literally so proud of my skin. Yes, I have texture, yes I have pores, but the way that it feels in person, it's so soft, so supple. And in today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I get this no makeup look, but also show you guys the amazing Korean skincare products that I've been using on my skin that's really transformed my skin, that allows my no makeup look to really thrive and shine, especially during this season now that we're able to kind of sort of go out and about. But without further ado, if you guys want to see how I get this natural no makeup look and skincare routine, then keep on watching. Alright, so enough bragging about my skin. Let's brag about this Korean skincare brand that I have been obsessed with. This is COSRX. I'm obsessed with a few of their products that I want to show you guys today, especially this one, the Propolis Light Ampule, that has literally given me this glow from within. But in terms of skincare, I feel like the night before really sets your skin up for success the next day. So if I have a stubborn acne pimple breakout, this patch, little packet, it comes with 24 patches, is so fierce and sickening because it reduces the look of the pimple and reduces the size of it the next day. So this is literally what I sleep with if I have a friend that is not welcome to the party the next day. So I like to stick one of them on my pimples, and I'll wake up really looking fresh and awake. But in combination with this patch, I like to take this BHA Blackhead Power Liquid, which is a leave-on exfoliant. This is literally so amazing. It leaves my skin feeling soft. And for those of you that know me, I am a man in makeup, and I wear makeup on the daily. I put my skin through it. I'm constantly taking pictures. I really cake it on. Sometimes I'll be out in the sun, I'll be sweating, and so my skin really goes through it. But I feel like the most effective thing to clean your skin is literally exfoliating. This one right here is a liquid exfoliant, and I'll leave it on in combination with the acne patch. So I'll put this acne patch on first, and then I'll apply the exfoliant, the BHA liquid exfoliant, on the rest of my face and just let it soak up, and then I'll wake up with glowing skin. And this right here leaves my skin feeling soft, supple, fresh, and then I can shower and cleanse my skin, which brings me to the morning of my makeup routine. Oh, and also you don't have to wear this just at night. You can also wear it in the day. And by the way, this is only $6. And I also have a discount code right on the screen for all of you to save some money. This is already $6. And also this is literally so freaking popular. Ever since they launched, I was seeing some videos that they sell a packet of these every 10 seconds since 2014. That is so fierce. So literally stock up on this if you literally want to be obsessed like I am with these patches. All right, now to like my skincare. I just jumped out of the shower. My skin is cleansed, and I want to show you guys the skincare that I use right before I get into the makeup. So just two products that I love to use from COSRX right before I get into the natural glowy makeup is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Now, what the hell no, it's snail mucin. I'm gonna read it for you guys so I don't get anything incorrect. It says snail mucin, 96.3 of snail secretion filtrate, helps protect the skin from moisture loss while improving skin elasticity. It helps repair and soothes red, sensitive skin after breakouts by replenishing moisture. And like I said, if you guys know me and we are exfoliating like the night before, the first thing I wanna do, especially jumping out of the shower and shaving, is put moisture right back into my face, because if you guys don't know, I still have facial hair after all these years of getting laser hair removal. And the older I get, the more dry my skin is feeling. And this literally allows, like in essence, allows whatever you're gonna put on after for everything to soak in, and it softens your skin too, and it retains it. And in essence, it's so important to me, especially in the past couple of months. It's just like a clear liquid, and I literally like to rub this all over my face, especially right here where I shave and down my neck, because this seems to be really dry. And I like to leave this on, so what I'll do is like, I like to brush my teeth or like fix my bed, and by the time this is soaked in, I can go ahead and apply the next serum. This is literally a game changer, and my skin has been feeling more refreshed, especially like in the sun. And since it's getting really hot here in LA, this is something that I literally go to moisturize my skin. Oh, and by the way, no animals were harmed in this. All right guys, now that I made my bed and brushed my teeth, the essence has soaked into my skin, and it looks very super glowy, but it's not sticky at all. Now, right before I do my makeup, this is a must for my makeup routine. I like to take the COSRX Propolis Light Ampule. This is literally so fierce because of the propolis. So I'm pulling up the website so I don't make any mistakes. The COSRX Propolis Light Ampule helps repair damaged skin while nourishing it with moisture and nutrients, ideal for dry and rough skin types. The silky serum increases skin softness and suppleness, leaving skin radiant, plump, and dewy. When I read that and I saw other video reviews of radiant, plump, dewy, I was like, oh my god, is it my chance to finally have beautiful, fresh skin for this no makeup look? Yes! Check! So what I like to do is just take one little vial, that's it, because I'm not trying to waste this gold elixir in here. I like to take this, rub it in my hands, and just prep on here. This allows my makeup to glide on so beautifully and stay. And also, before putting on makeup, I feel really good about putting on skincare. Okay, so now that I have rubbed that into my skin feels super lightweight. I really want to emphasize in today's video, skincare is so important the night before, the day of, so that means every day, every night, so your makeup looks seamless, whether you're wearing full glam or light glam like me, which in my case today is gonna be light glam for all of you. And as you can see, the glow that's happening right here is gonna carry on into my makeup look. But if you guys want to check out COSRX and save some money, 30% off, be sure to use this beautiful code on the screen, PatrickStarrr with COSRX, to save 30% off. Everything will be linked down below. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this no makeup look. Okay, you guys, I want to show you guys really quick before I start. This is my acrylic case right here. I've had this for many years. It has my face literally in here. There's lashes on the top. If you guys want to see a tour of this, it's not really anything special. I just throw a lot of my makeup in here and my skincare, and it's just easy for me. It keeps my vanity organized, and that's what I love. And there's beautiful like little rhinestones in here. For example, this is like one of my drawers right here. It has my concealer, my primer, and a lot of just my essentials. And then at the bottom drawer, literally, I just throw all my stuff down here. And it's tucked away really nicely. Okay, so first things first, I like to take Secure the Blur and apply this just on my cheeks right here. And again, I am missing nails. What's new? I'm gonna take this right here, just on the center of my face and around my nose, because that's where I have really large pores. Let me use this hand so I'm not so spooky, ugly. And this really will just mattify and keep everything nice and seamless for this makeup look. And I love this tip from like Pat McGrath and Charlotte Tilbury with like the angel wings. I think doing my skincare in the morning like wakes my face up. Because you know, sometimes some mornings you can feel puffy or swollen. Doing that skincare in the morning, if it's not like my little gua sha stone, I like to put that on my skin, and it just is like prepped for anything. All right guys, so the next product that I want to use is the Pat McGrath Sublime Perfection Foundation. This one is medium 17. I'm using this because Makeup by Ariel used this on me as like the light foundation. When I tell you this feels like water, I'm gonna show you guys. It literally is like water. Look how runny it is. And I'm just gonna probably take about 3 pumps of foundation. I'm gonna literally just rub this and warm it up in my hands. And I like to even my skin tone just like this, just by patting it in. And for this like no makeup look, I was watching a few influencers like Melissa Alatorre posted a video, and I wanted to just kind of emulate that because now that it's getting hot, I don't want to be too full glam. I just want to look prepared, decent, and like put together. And even skin tone, I feel is like the first dead giveaway to how tired you look. We don't want to look tired. And I feel like using your hands is like literally the best tool because it like warms up the foundation and makes it feel like super light and natural and easy. And I'm just gonna take another like little pump. Just apply that just right here. And just pat this in with my hands. Continue to warm it up. And just take your fingers and just do that. And for me, believe it or not, for these kinds of makeup looks, you guys, I don't really like to use concealer just because it looks more so unnatural for me. If you are a concealer person or wearer, by all means, go ahead and do you. All right, guys, now that I have the primer and foundation on, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Turn Up the Base powder foundation in the color Medium 5 Golden. And I'm gonna take this big fluffy brush and just lightly set the face. That way, nothing moves. And I like this because there's rice silk powder that really blurs the skin. And I just mean like just to give a big heaping of dusting. And at this point, don't be afraid if you get it on your lashes or your lips or your eyebrows, because we're gonna go ahead and take care of that in the next step. But just for me, having that no makeup look is about just getting the skin even, but not caking it up too much. And if you want that full coverage, you can most definitely use a puff to, you know, scoop some off and have that full coverage effect. But for me, since I want to keep it lightweight, I like to focus this on my cheek areas where I have a lot of pores and hyperpigmentation, and just even it out. And this is very buildable, so that will give you that like nice glowy look. And don't forget your neck either. When I tell you guys, this is literally how I do my makeup, like on the go in the morning. This is it, if it's not like a full PatrickStarrr day. So next in my little case, I have this NARS Wanted To Cheek Palette. And there's a bunch of colors in here like this. But what I like to take are these last two with this like fan brush by MAC. This is the 134. I like to take a little bit of that red and this kind of like, what is that? Oh, Taos. I love Taos. This Taos blush. I like to just dust it like across. So I'll go right here on the nose, right here on the top of the cheeks. And I like these colors because we don't blush pink, or I don't blush pink, I don't blush orange. So these are like natural like flush tones that I feel really bring life to like my skin. And it gives me that like summer kind of look, just like this. You see that? Really natural and easy. And if I go a little bit too ham, I'll just take that big brush and just kind of like buff it out. Cute. So next for highlight, I'm like so like really quick and easy. I like to take this Dior Backstage Glow Face palette, and I love these two shades right here. This one is bronze and this one is glitter strobe pink gold. And I like to take these two, same brush, just the other side, and I just like to add a little bit of that glow, just very lightly on the face. And when I'm doing my makeup like this, I just like to keep my skin as the focus, to keep it even, to keep it fresh. And that's just like my goal, especially if I'm going out to brunch with my friends and I don't want to do anything too crazy or go too glam. Cause like at the fastest, my full glam face I can do in like maybe minimum 30 minutes. And that's still too long. This, I can be out the door in like 5. And I like to smile all the time whenever I'm doing this kind of makeup look because I like to see where the highlight is hitting. Okay, so really quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and just extend the tails of my brows using the new One Size Brow Kiki pencil and brushing it through with medium brown on there, just to get that excess powder off my face. And this, I don't like to do very fancy for me. Just a tail, just like that. Just keeping it nice and like full. And I'm pretty sparse on the arch right here. And then my tail is like non-existent. So like just bring that tail just a little bit out. Look at the brows. So natural, so easy. All right guys, so now that I've done my brows, it's time to move on to lashes. I'm gonna take this lash curler and gently curl my lashes up. I find that this step makes your face like look youthful and awake. I tend not to do like crazy eyeliner or even a pencil just because I just want to keep it as natural as possible. And when I tell you I wear this literally all the time, I wear this all the time. And the mascara that I'm going to be using is the MAC Extended Play Perm Meet Up Lash. I like this one because it has like a little curve to the wand, and I'm just gonna lightly just comb through my lashes. And again, like I said earlier, in case that powder foundation got on the lashes, this is what I like. I'm excited today because you guys get to see a little bit more of a natural side. And this is something that I've been wearing out with friends just to like have my skin look even and awake. Can you guys see I'm a little bit sweaty on top? So I'm just gonna go ahead. As you can see, the shine's coming through. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of powder and just even that out. Okay guys, now it's time for lips. For me, I like to keep it pretty simple and comfortable. And I normally go with two options. One is the Fenty Cookies and Cocoa. It's like a nice, like natural brown color. And it's really hydrating. It's a little bit too brown for me lately. So I've been using this Milani Rose Balm Transforming Lip Balm. It's like a pretty pink color. It literally looks like nothing, but as soon as I apply it on the lips, it turns like really pink. And especially since I've been still wearing a mask, it feels really comfortable and it's not too crazy. Okay, so last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Mist and Fix with Makeup Forever and just seal everything. I like this because it's big. I tend to use a lot of spray, but most of all, it takes the powder and it makes it like super dewy and skin-like. And I'm just gonna take a fan and fan my face. I find that the setting spray makes the powders and everything look really fresh, as if I just applied a little bit of skincare. But most of all, I prioritize my skin being even, just enhancing like my natural features. And there's no eyeliner, there's no really contour or bronzer, like a lip balm, and I still feel like I look like me. Hold on, before I do this outro, let me get you into the gig with the makeup. All right guys, this is my no makeup look. As you can see, the skin is like really fresh, really supple. The skincare really shines through, and I'm more proud than ever that my skin has been a priority for me, and for all of you to see it up close and personal on the Super HD Sony camera is like everything to me. As you can see, the makeup is looking fresh. I use a little, like the lightest liquid foundation, powder foundation to even out my skin tone, and nothing looks crazy. I don't feel like I have like a ton of makeup on. I still feel like me and look like me, and that's the most important part. All right, everyone, that concludes this no makeup look. So easy, super achievable, and I hope I've inspired you guys today to take a little bit more care of your skin when it comes to your makeup. Although I am a beauty channel, that includes skincare. So be sure to take care of your skin night and day and every day and every night, so you guys can have more beautiful snatched skin for your everyday looks like this one. I'll list everything down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.